Spike loves his new hat.
Cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Charlie the mad puppy doesn't like when people touch him.
Cheese kitty. Want that cheese, Nyla? Get that cheese, Nyla. Get it. Oh. Go ahead.
Damn, your ass smells fine, girl. Check out my ass. How's that smell? Baby, get your ass off me!
Roxy wants to eat her. Roxy!
Shit. You don't take shit, do you?
I'm going to be honest, I think my dog is part alien, not even kidding.
Stella, you wanna go bang?
Kaiser. Smile! Show me your smile. Smile! Oh, so handsome!
You want to get high?
You keep looking at me, I'm gonna put you in the fucking ground, I promise you!
Oh, that's funny. You're gonna look funnier sucking my dick with no teeth.
How do you feel about the cone in your head?
Hey, Poppy. Hey, Poppy.
If you stop fighting, I'll give you a treat.
Well, you see, Gladys, the thing about my life is it's pretty sad, and I just don't know what to do.
I don't really know what to do with my hands. I don't really know what to do with my hands.
I love you! I love you! I love you! Oh my god.
Lexi. Lexi.
Lexi!
Like a dog over a cup of water.
What the fuck? Get out of here! This is a bar! You don't belong here! You're a possum! Get out!
Okay.
Look at this beautiful squirrel! Look at this baby squirrel!
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood. I like you, love you.
Can you not?
What did you say, huh? What'd you fucking say? What'd you fucking say?
Outside. Squirrel. Kitty. Treat.
Is he still in there?
Yes, he is. It has been an hour, dude. Seriously, I cannot wait any longer.
Are you serious?
Where's the catnip?
Whoa, back up. Stop playing, I'm dead serious. I got a girlfriend, calm down.
Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? I can't leave.
Yo, this is my duck. His name is if you don't fucking cut that shit out.